products that are doing well over 6-figure a month. And guess what, guys? These products are in your house. Yes, typical household products that are doing insane numbers, and I'm gonna share with you what they are. If you're new and starting off and you're not sure what to sell, where to source, how to source, well, I'm here to help you with that, because all the products, all the brands, is literally underneath your nose or in your household. Starting off with my favorite products, yes, you guessed it, Sriracha. Man, every household needs a Sriracha, because nowadays you literally can put Sriracha on anything, and I mean anything. Just to give you some data on this product here, this product on Amazon goes for about $21. Of course, it's a 2-pack, so 2 packs of these for $21. And here, let me give you some numbers. The BSR bestseller rank is 400 in growth. What does that mean? And if you're new, definitely check out my other videos on all these meanings and how to start and how to sell on Amazon. But a BSR rating of 400 in groceries for this product here, for the Sriracha, gives you about grand total of 8,400 sales per month. That's right, 8,400 sales per month. Man, that's a lot of Sriracha. And guess what, guys? That's only on one listing. So at a sales price of $21 times 8,400, that's about, let me look at it. Yes, about $176,000 in sales per month for this sauce. Oof, that is spicy. So now on to the next product. Yes, you already guessed it, Meyers soap. Everybody needs this soap in their bathroom, in their kitchen, wherever. You need to wash your hands, right? And Meyers is one of the pretty well-known brands out there that's in almost every household, because why? They make good products. So Meyers is in the health and beauty category on Amazon with a BSR rating of 95. Let me look again. Let me just double check. Yes, BSR rating of 95 gives you 31,000 sales per month. So on Amazon, and one of the most popular bundles is one of these, but it's a 3-pack. It goes for about $13 is about the average price. $13. Let me just double check my number. Yes, okay. So 31,000 times $13 gives you a grand total of $403,000 on just that one listing. And it's just soap in your bathroom. And now for the very last household item is these Plackers dental floss. Yes, I use them. Everybody's got a floss. So these Plackers dental floss here is in the health and household category with a BSR rating of just 50. And with the BSR rating of just 50, this bad boy sells for, wait a minute, let me check again. Yes, 48,500 units per month. And on the Amazon listing, this bad boy goes for about $6.30, give or take. At about $6 times 48,500 units per month gives you a grand total of, let me check again. Yes, that's right. That's mind-blowing. Oh my God. $291,000 per month on some things that just goes in between your teeth. Now that you see products like these can do insane numbers on Amazon, and if you're new or struggling to find products to sell on Amazon, it might be a pretty good idea to just simply look around the house, because these products are just hidden gems that you probably never thought to look at. Now that I've shown you some numbers on these household products, you're probably wondering, okay, Chan, how do I start sourcing these products? How do I get a wholesale account? How do I start selling these products? Because you want a piece of that pie. And that pie looks mighty, mighty tasty, right? Even if you get a small share of what these products are doing per month, it's still a very nice monthly income. So typically to start selling these products is to find a wholesale distributor, a supplier, or even get supplies from directly from the manufacturer. And if you're unsure how to find these, I mean, the best way is probably just look it up. Just go to Google and just type it in. Wholesale distributors in your area, brand name, and then put distributor, supplier. That's probably one of the most common ways to try and open up a wholesale account so you can sell their products. However, I find that the most effective way, picking up the phone, looking for a contact number so you can actually call the manufacturer, the distributor, or the supplier and speak to them directly. That way they know who you are on the other end and if they're willing to work with you or not. So as a bonus example, I'm gonna do a live call where I'm gonna call up either the manufacturer, the distributor, or the supplier number that is on the product and see if I could establish a wholesale account with them to be able to source their product at a discount. And just for the record, I have not tried to contact neither one of these brands to establish a wholesale account with them. So pretty much what you're gonna see is a live call from me, unscripted, to the manufacturer. So now I'm just gonna give Hui Fong Foods a call and see if I can get distribution for their products. And if I can, imagine the types of winnings I can get with this. That's insane. So let's just see. 286. Hello, my name is Chance Saturn and I'm calling regarding your products. I was interested in sourcing some of your products and purchasing them in bulk. I was wondering who I'd be able to speak to regarding purchasing in bulk and opening up a wholesale account.
So unfortunately, we haven't opened any new accounts in over 15 years, so you won't be able to purchase directly from us. Yeah, it has to be done through one of our existing distributors. Where are you located?
I'm here in Central California.
Okay, I could actually give you the information of our distributors here in California. I could email that information to you if you would like.
Yeah, sure, that'd be great.
May I have your email address?
Yes, that's gonna be sao@gmail.com.
gmail.com. And you said here in California, right?
Yeah, we're in Central California.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and send you the information of our distributors here in California. But we are experiencing a shortage, so some of the distributors might not have our product yet. But we are working with some products already to try to fulfill some of our orders. So we have our distributors, we have about like 4 distributors here in California.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and forward that information to you in a bit.
Sounds good, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, son.
You too. Well, there you go, guys. We weren't able to establish a wholesale directly with the manufacturers, but they are able to provide me with their distributor list, which now I can purchase from as well, even though I can't get it directly from them. So in other words, I'm still able to potentially land a wholesale account to get a piece of this pie. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys were able to see the potential of just regular household products that do insane numbers on Amazon. And so can you. Simply just picking up the phone and giving them a call, like how I just did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of this. And before you go, and I really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button and that like button so I could continue to bring you guys more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.